저는 영어로 가르쳐 드리겠습니다. 저는 출발하세요.
Okay, let's start. Today we're going to learn from her a basic Korean words on how to greet in a proper way. Okay, first we're going to ask her on how to greet or how to say hi or hello to elders.
안녕하세요.
맞아. How to say hi or hello to your friend.
안녕 친구야.
And how to say nice to meet you.
반가워요.
만나서
반가워요. 반가워 친구야.
And how to say thank you to elders.
감사합니다.
How about to your friend?
고마워 친구야. 고마워 친구야. 주셔서 고마워.
How to say I'm sorry to elders.
정말 죄송합니다.
How about to your friend?
미안해 친구야.
How to say thank you?
감사합니다.
How about to your friend?
고마워.
And lastly, we're going to learn from her on how to say goodbye to elders.
안녕히 가세요.
To your friend.
내일 보자 친구야.
Okay, that's all for today.
That's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe below. 감사합니다. 너무 사랑해요.